Y'all, I know I look different than in the video, but I fucking forgot to record an intro when I did my ponytail video. I'm thinking I'm popping, thinking I'm cute at the end of the video doing all this shit, and then didn't realize I didn't record an intro. And after all that, I had to wipe my makeup off. So I'm filming an intro now of how I did this hairstyle, the ponytail, the little side ponytail, because all you guys kept asking how I did it. So here is my gift to you guys, and actually see me on camera again because I've been gone for a long ass time. So if you guys want to see how I do this hairstyle, not this hairstyle, but the ponytail, then keep on watching. I figured that this video was self-explanatory. That was the reason why I did not do a voiceover. So you guys can just keep on watching and see what I'm doing. I was so frustrated when I was doing these chain links because I realized I messed up. You see how on the front of my hair, how it has the first two ponytails, the one on top and the one on bottom? I had put 3 ponytails, and I'm wondering, like, why the hell does this look so weird? Because as you guys can see, I have a weird hairline, so it makes sense to just have 2 ponytails in the front. But my ass put 3 ponytails, so I had to go and find the photo of when I first did the hairstyle, and I realized I did it wrong. So I had to stop the damn video, take the ponytails out, and then redo them. But I finally got it right, so hope you guys like this. You guys, if you guys are not a fan of having a lot of product in your hair, then this video is definitely not for you because I used a bunch of beeswax. Like, I used almost half the can of my beeswax for my hair, and I used a bunch of hairspray. So that's a little disclaimer if you guys don't like product in your hair.
Like, can a nigga keep it all the way real with you? I got what you need, cause I know that you ain't really got what you need. That bullshit you been getting, girl, that's not what you need. Baby, stop, you been speeding. I'm tryna slow your pace down, hit this weed. Fuck what you want for a minute right now, this is what you need. Mommy, please, you just might learn something. You got so used to getting play, you forgot how I feel when a coach talking. The lingo different, cause we know different. Same goes for all my niggas, baby, we know different. Cause we know bitches, hoes and women, how to meet them different. Some that are got done so vicious, pussy juices and turn venom. Either turn hoe or turn bitter, just ain't never fuck with a real nigga. I guess, but I'm on some different shit, like fuck, I'm tryna put you on some game. Tryna put money on your mind, tryna put respect up on your name. This some real shit, you gon' feel it when you become part of this game. It's a difference, you gon' feel it, I swear to God, it ain't the same. I need a bad woman that's about her money to keep me sane on the right track.
So I have to let you guys know for this part, I actually took a little piece of my hair and wrapped it around the ponytail because when I do hairstyles like this, I don't like to use braiding hair. I usually just take like a small piece of track I have left and I do it that way. It's easier for me because my hair is so short. But I wrap the hair around because usually when I use a bobby pin to put it in my hair, I feel like the bobby pin irritates my scalp. So I usually just take that little piece of hair and wrap it around and it stays secure.
As for my evidence, it's different. It's different. So,
Now you know the
Oh yeah. Money on my mental. Motherfucker rental. I'm tryna own a Benzo. So I can ride. And pull up fly.
You guys, so I lost the last clip of the video where I show you guys how I did the invisible pony where I wrapped the hair around. So I am so sorry, you guys, but this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.
On doubling my profit, yo. Lying on your bank, you ain't got shit. Tryna level up in this life, yo. Lavish lifestyle, what I wanted. Tryna make a meal like Nas, just so I can spin with no record. So I can get a Benz with a dark tint. Nice big rims, I'ma cross it. I'ma get mine, that's official. On the dead homies, I'ma flex too. Don't worry about your bitch, I just slid through. Baby, about to fuck me like the Renzo. Motherfucker rental. I'm tryna own a Benzo, so I can ride. All on my phone. If it ain't paper, then pound up, leave me alone. If you ain't tight, then out, and then you living wrong. Broken the floor, my nigga.